Hi students, welcome to Mokshish Education. Last class we had discussed about kingdom fungi. In kingdom fungi, four classes are present. They are Phycomystes, Ascomystes, Basidiomystes and Deuteromystes. Last class we had discussed about Phycomystes and Ascomystes. This class we discussed Basidiomystes and Deuteromystes. Basidiomystes. Basidiomycetes. Commonly well-known Basidiomycetes are mushrooms and bracket fungi, puffballs. So these are commonly well-known Basidiomycetes. These Basidiomycetes is also known as club fungi. Club fungi. See, well-known Basidiomycetes are mushrooms and bracket fungi. Bracket fungi. Next, puffballs. Puffballs. So these Basidiomycetes is also known as club fungi. Club fungi. So mainly Basidiomycetes are present in soil and on logs. Logs means dungalu and tree stumps. చెట్లు యొక్క మోదుల పైన పెరుగుతుంటాయి. సో సమ్ Basidiomycetes are living parasites on living plant bodies. Okay. So mainly Basidiomycetes are branched and septate. So mycelium is branched and septate. So septate means when you are observing mycelium, when you are observing mycelium, cross walls or septum present. So this mycelium is called septate mycelium. So mycelium is branched and septate. Rust and smust disease causing microorganisms also Basidiomycetes, include in Basidiomycetes. So mainly in Basidiomycetes, asexual spores are not found. Asexual spores are not found. Asexual spores are absent. Like zoospores, conidia, these are example for asexual spores. But asexual spores are absent in Basidiomycetes. But vegetative reproduction take place by fragmentation. vegetative reproduction take place by fragmentation. Fragmentation means, so organism is divided into small pieces. So that process is called fragmentation. Each piece have capable to produce new mycelium. So that is example for fragmentation. So it is a common vegetative reproduction in Basidiomycetes. Next, sex organs also absent. Sex organs. Sex organs also absent in Basidiomycetes. But plasmogamy take place by fission of two vegetative cells or somatic cells of different stains. See, observe here. Plasmogamy. Plasmogamy. Plasmogamy means fission of cytoplasm is called plasmogamy. So in Basidiomycetes, sex organs are absent, but sexual reproduction is to take place. How sexual reproduction take place means through the plasmogamy. In plasmogamy, two different cells are coming to each other. Coming to each other and fuse both cells. By fusion of these both cells, dikaryotic phase is formed. Dikaryotic phase. See, observe here. Dikaryotic phase is formed. Dikaryotic phase. In dikaryotic phase, two nuclei are present side by side, but they are not fused up to certain period. Dikaryotic phase means, so each cell have how many nuclei? Two nuclei. They are not fused up to certain time. So these dikaryotic cells are converted into basidium. Converted into basidium. So it is basidium. See, so inside the basidium, karyogamy and meiosis take place. Karyogamy. And meiosis take place inside the basidium. So karyogamy means fission of two nuclei is called karyogamy. So after fission, So zygote is formed. That zygote is divided so in the form of in the process of meiosis. And 4 basidiospores are formed. 4 basidiospores. How many basidiospores are formed? 4 basidiospores are formed on the basidium. So these are basidiospores. Basidiospores. Actually, these basidiospores are exogenously produced on the basidium. అంటే బెసిడియోస్పోర్స్ అనేటివి బెసిడియం పైన బహిర్గతంగా ఏర్పడతాయి. నెక్స్ట్, సో దీస్ బెసిడియాస్ ఆర్ అరేంజ్డ్ ఇన్ ఫ్రూటింగ్ బాడీస్ కాల్డ్ బెసిడియోకార్ప్. Basidiocarp means these basidias are arranged in fruiting bodies called basidiocarp. See, observe once in sexual reproduction, both cells, one is plus mating cell, another one is minus mating cell, come to each other and fuse. By fusion of these two cells form dikaryotic phase. Dikaryotic phase means, so each cell have how many nuclei? 2 nuclei without fusion. So this dikaryotic phase is converted into basidium. So inside the basidium, karyogamy and meiosis take place and form 4 basidiospores. So here 4 basidiospores are exogenously produced on the basidium. So these basidias are arranged in fruiting bodies called basidiocarp. So example for Basidiomystis. Agaricus. Agaricus means mushrooms. Next, Eustilago. Eustilago means smut disease causing fungi. Next, Fuchsinia. Fuchsinia, rust disease causing fungi. Next, another one is pubball. Pubball. So means Lycoperdon. Lycoperdon. So these are example for Basidiomystis. Okay. Next, last one is Deuteromystis. Deuteromycetes. This Deuteromystis is also known as imperfect fungi. Imperfect fungi. So why these organisms are called imperfect fungi means, so sexual reproduction is not observed. So in Deuteromystis, that's why these are called imperfect fungi. Last class is Deuteromycetes. Deuteromycetes. Deuteromycetes is also known as imperfect fungi. Imperfect fungi. So why these group of organisms are called imperfect fungi means, so still in these organisms not find sexual reproduction. Still sexual reproduction not found in these organisms. So these organisms are called imperfect fungi. So but vegetative reproduction and asexual reproduction so find in these organisms. Which organisms? Deuteromycetes. So still scientists are not find sexual reproduction in Deuteromycetes. If they are find sexual reproduction in Deuteromycetes, they change into Ascomycetes or Basidiomycetes. If they are find sexual reproduction in Deuteromycetes, they change into another classes like Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes, but not change into Phycomycetes, because Phycomycetes organisms are aseptate and cenocytic organisms. So these are septate and branched organisms. That's why these group of organisms are not to include in Phycomycetes. Not include in Phycomycetes. Okay. Next. So asexual spores are called conidias. Asexual spores are called conidias. So mainly these mycelium is branched and septate. Branched and septate. Septate means you know, no? So actually mycelium present septum or cross walls. That mycelium is called septate mycelium. Okay. So in this group of organisms, means most of the organisms are saprophytes. Saprophytes. So some organisms are parasites. Parasites. And most of the organisms are decomposers. Decomposers. So decomposers of litters and help in recycle of minerals. Recycle of minerals. Recycling of minerals. Recycling of minerals. అంటే ఇవి ఎక్కువగా పూతికాహారాలుగా నివసిస్తూ మినరల్స్ యొక్క చక్రీయ సైకిల్లో ఉపయోగపడతాయి. ఓకే. సో ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ Deuteromycetes, Alternaria. Alternaria. Early blight. Early. So blight disease is caused by Alternaria. Next, Coletotrichum. Coletotrichum, red rot. So red rot disease is caused by Coletotrichum in sugarcane. So these are example for Deuteromycetes.